Hello, it's me again. Last time you saw me, I was at this very table with all of this stuff. And now for this video, I'm gonna put all this stuff together. So, wish me luck! Okay, so I'm happy to report that I got everything back in the bag. But now it's time to take everything out again and actually set it up, put it together, do the damn thing. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna start by putting up these tripods. Because that's easy. I can do that. Bam! Step one, done. Now what? So one of the lights already has the model light in it, so I'm gonna put that one on the light stand. This one, I'm gonna put the reflector on there. Okay. Then I guess I'll put the little grid on the reflector, or in the reflector, I should say. There it is. Power cabling. These cables are actually pretty long, which I like. Pretty good. Okay, let's set this aside for now. So this one, I need to put the model light in. Take the cap off, and then I don't know how to get in here. There's a book, which I'm sure will tell me how to do this. Aha! Well, that's very simple. You just jimmy it out. That's it. You just wiggle, 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 and it's out. We got this little dude. I'm gonna put that in. Actually, let me get you a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we got the light here without anything in it. And take the little lamp and we stick it in. Wiggle it carefully. And there it is. And you take the flash tube with the protective cap and you just line it up. You've got these holes and you got these pins, so just need to line those up and jimmy it back down. And there you go. So simple. Put it on the light stand. Like so. And that's that. It's all so easy, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna back you up. Okay, so I'm just gonna hang it there, move this to the side, and then start building this softbox. So in this baggie, we get this and another bag. Hello, hello. Please open. I get it, I have to get aggressive. Okay. We got an inside diffuser and an outside diffuser. Woo! This is already like pre-pinned in. So you see these. It's like a little tent. We got all these pins. Stick in the end, and then all I have to do is stick them in these holes, and then that should be it. The last one is always the tricky one. Let's go! Yes! You guys, it was so easy. Just a kid could do it, okay? Bam. Okay, get these bad boys. And just these little Velcro units. And you just stick them on. Bam! There you go. And then you can put it on your lights. What I like is this system is so simple. You just click it on and you can turn them and move them around. And it's really easy to put on and take off. It's incredible. So, wow, okay. I'm already done. That's wild. What else is there to do? Okay, so you have this little screwdriver in the back. And it is my understanding that I need to use the tiny screwdriver to set the channel on the legs. So I think, you only really have to do this once. If you're working in a studio and it's just your equipment and there's nobody else working with the transmitter in your studio, you just need to set the channel on your light and on your transmitter so that they know how to communicate. And that's it. Well, I guess you just, it's very easy. Okay, let me try and show you up close. You got the light, all the little buttons. I will look into those later, but for now, this is what we're looking at right now. So this is all the channels. You have 16 channels, which is a lot. And yeah, you just stick this little dude in, and whichever way the arrow is pointing, that's the channel you're currently on. And I'm just gonna set it to 2 on both of them. For no particular reason. I'm just, just because I want to. And that's that. So, we got both the lights set up. They're both on the correct channel. Let me put this away safely because I might need it at some point. Now all I need to do is test them and see if I get the trigger to work. This is a trigger set. It's a cactus little set. And I need to put in the batteries, I think. All I need for now is this. I need to figure out how to open it up to put the batteries in. Oh, haha. Okay, so there are batteries in here, but when I got it, I was told that the batteries are dead. So I will put the batteries in. Don't you just love this packaging? Ah! Come on! Yes. Okay. So 2 little batteries. Okay. And then we stick them back in. This is for the channels. So I'll switch it to channel 2 because I also put the lights on channel 2. And then that's it. So now I'm going to turn on the lights and see if it works. So what I did, the trigger is automatically, it's on off. So there's a little switch on the side, and I switched it to TX. And I'll try to figure out what that means in a second, but I switched it to TX. And when I pressed the button, nothing happened, but then I looked over here, and there's a couple of buttons on the lamp. And there's a button that says sync, and when you press that button, now it works! So now I just have to plug in the other one, but I'm assuming when I put that on the same mode, it'll work as well. So we got everything set up, we're ready to go. Now we just have to wait for our model to arrive. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I figured while we wait for my model to arrive, I'll show you some other stuff. So both lights are working, which is awesome. they're syncing, they're beeping, it's all good. So just to go through a couple of the buttons that are on here, from what I have been able to figure out from my first impressions, the audio button, well, obviously, if you turn it off, there's no beep. You hear that one beep, but not this one because I could turn it off. Now, a lot of people I know hate the beeps, so you know it's good that you can turn them off. But I kind of like them, so we'll see. Then there's this other button that says lamp, and I'm assuming it's for your modeling, right? You can hope you can see it. There's 3 modes. One is just full on, one is just off, and the other is adjusts to the power that you're putting in. So this is the power, and you can go all the way up to 10. And as you can see, it's brighter now. And if you go back down to 5, it goes down. So you can kind of see the amount of light that you're putting in. Puff! So what I find interesting is the lights that I work with at the moment, they go to 0 to 1, from 1 to 8, I think. And these go from 5.1 to 10, which is interesting. And then, yeah, these are the up and down buttons. Self-explanatory, I already showed you. And then this is the test button. And it's the on off. There's a hole here for a sync cable, but we don't need a cable because we got a little trigger. And, you know, that's it. It's really very simple, and I like it. I'm really excited to try these babies out.
This is Lara. She is our beautiful model of the day. We have 2 lights, and we're gonna do some things. I'm gonna add another light and another light shaper just to show you what you can do if you just change things up a bit, buy some extra gear, do some extra stuff, you know, invest. First impression so far, I really like these lights. They're easy to use, they work really well, they're consistent, so big thumbs up. Okay, so I got this light shaper here, which is like a deep Hoekstra. And it's supposed to be really easy to set up, so we're gonna try it. Let's see. So it's just click. Wait. Oh my god. I can do this. Click and click and then twist. But how do I twist? Ah! So it is really easy. So I'm going to use this next. Alrighty, I'm done shooting. It was a great shoot. Lara's an amazing model. Be sure to check out her social media. I'll link them below. So you can book her if you ever need an awesome, tall, blonde model. First impressions, I mean, everything went so effortlessly. I feel like I really didn't have any trouble setting everything up. It was super easy, super straightforward. And the lights themselves, they were consistent, they worked well, like the color balance, everything was just really good. Of course, first impressions, I can't really get into all the technical details, and I didn't put them to a really heavy test, but I did shoot like at least 5 or 6 different setups, and you know, they did it all beautifully. I did the last setups, as you probably saw, if you watched that entire video. I ended up at some point using 3 lights instead of the 2 that come in the box. Just to kind of add some variation and to show you like, hey, if you add another light, you can play around with things like this, and also use a light shaper that's not in the box, but that is made by Hensel. And it's a really gorgeous light shaper, and I really enjoyed playing around with that as well. Anything that I can find links for, I will put them down in the description so you can check that stuff out. I really like working with these lights. Lightweight, easy to use, just straight to the point, no unnecessary bells and whistles. So, in conclusion, the Hensel Portrait set, I definitely recommend it if you are looking into getting your first studio set, or if you're looking into adding some stuff to what you already have. It's just a great little set to play around with, and I tried only a few options, but as you can see, only in just one afternoon I was able to get a lot of different looks out of it. And I think if you really get to know the lights and play around with the light shapers and with gels and stuff like that, you can really get a lot of use out of just the 2 lights and the 2 light shapers that you get. But it's also easy to add more to it and to maybe add another light or just add different light shapers, and then you can get a completely different look. All in all, I definitely recommend this if you're looking into getting some studio equipment. If you have any questions about the stuff that I talked about today that maybe wasn't clear or whatever, you can just leave a comment below. Links that are relevant are in the description. You can also find links to my social media channels there. And that's it. If you want to see more stuff, subscribe. I have a bunch of old videos, and I'm going to work on more new videos in the future, so definitely stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video and the previous video, the unboxing. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave it right here so you can check that out. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.